What's up, Space Fam? Back at it with another video. What's going on, Space Fam? Back at it with another video of the Lexus. As you can see, your boy got the haircut. I'm going a little bald up front, but it's all good though. It's all good. This point getting old, turned 30. You know what I'm saying? But we're gonna do a exhaust video with different modes. We got normal mode, we got sport mode, and sport plus mode. So I'm gonna do a little video of the different exhaust sounds and see can we tell a difference in the noises. So the first one's gonna be normal. Hey, I don't know if y'all heard that little poppy sound though. I don't know if you heard that little poppy sound. I heard that. That was in sport mode though. That was like regular sport. But I'm about to turn into sport plus real quick. Hey. So I ain't know the car do all that little. But ooh, just went trying to get that exhaust system on it. It's not even better.